Spain's borrowing rates skyrocketed to record highs, causing concern the country will follow in the footsteps of Ireland, Portugal and Greece. Here's the BBC.
In a bond sale this morning, interest rates on short-term Spanish debt rose sharply to the highest level since the launch of the euro.
Despite the bank bailout earlier this month, analysts are already thinking the Spanish government may have to be rescued, much like Greece, in order to keep the government solvent. Here's the Financial Post analysis. The soaring borrowing costs highlight the shortcomings of a June 9 Eurozone deal. They also illustrate how Europe's problems run much deeper than Greece, brought back from the brink of default in Sunday's parliamentary election. While Spain is trying to paint the bank bailout as anything other than a bailout, the New York Times notes no one's buying it. In the realm of investor perception, Spain has crossed the Rubicon from solvency to insolvency. The markets are treating Spain's bank-focused bailout as a pregnancy. There's no such thing as a partial one. A reporter for Sky News says the situation is a good example of the euro's biggest problem, namely the way the single currency doesn't have single interest rates.
The system was never perfect in the first place. It's very difficult for them to try and change that overnight, and it's going to cause some economic chaos, whether Greece stays in the Eurozone or leaves it.
Spain's yields did lower some Tuesday afternoon, but a writer for The Guardian says investors' confidence had nothing to do with it. Instead, markets believe the Federal Reserve will extend a program to bring down EU interest rates. Forget Spain's problems, Greece's plans to renegotiate its bailout, a bad German confidence figure. Markets are hoping for a lift from U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke tomorrow. And woe betide Ben if they don't get what they want. Spain is expected to sell another 1 to 2 billion euros worth of bonds on Thursday. For Newsy, I'm Lauren Goris. Multiple sources, the real story.